Hello? How's it going? Mighty, going fine now. Huh? The bag is where? What the fuck?
There's no fucking way, man. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. I can see you, motherfucker. I can see you.
You're right over there. You're up by the window, and I can see the red fucking bag up in the corner. And what? Look at the strawberries. I got the strawberries. They're like genetically modified. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, Verizon. Fuck. No, look, Billy. I've had enough of this. Carry on now. This is bullshit. So it is, and there's no more like.
Man, my fucking kids. If you fuck, you fuck.